In this video, I would like to explain to you how to open a live account with the Blueberry Markets. It is the broker I'm currently using, so I would like to show you what are the necessary steps in order to open that trading account, log into that trading account inside MetaTrader 4, like it is here, and after that, how to make the deposit on that trading account, so you can also start trading and also make the money. Now, first of all, if you have not registered with the Blueberry Markets, in this case, you can see that here, find the link below in the description where you'll find the video instruction how to open and also register with the broker so you can start trading. So after that, after you have registered, first thing you need to do is to open live account. So here where your accounts are located, here on the left side where you have the menu, you need to click on here and you will see do you have any trading account. If you have just registered with this broker, this will be empty. So the next step will be to open a new account. So you can click here, create an account, or here, create an account, this option, and after that you will go to the next step. Here inside this new window you can select which account you would like to use. I usually use here a standard. So whenever I open a new trade, there will be a spread, which is a small payment to the broker that allows me for trading on the market. Or you can use this row where you have also a commission to pay. So for me, it is always a standard that I'm currently using. After that, click the next button and you will have more options to select. First of all, the trading platform, which you would like to use. In this case, I will use MT4, I will have USD as a currency as a deposit, and I will have leverage 1 to 100. And after that, if you have done, you will open a new account, just click the next button. I will not click the next button because I already have an open a new account, and after that you will see the login details. You can see I have received a message that my account is set up, and I have received an email with login details. So I need to make a deposit to start trading. You'll see that first of all you need to log into your trading account just to verify that everything is okay. So after you have opened this trading account, the next step is to go to your email address and find the login details. And after that, you need to go here inside the trading platform and log into that trading account. Simply go to Navigator here, and here inside this navigator you have the accounts where you can add more accounts. Currently I have one, which is a live account, but I can add more of these. So this is the video I would like to I wanted to show you how to open a new live account with the Blueberry Markets. So those are all the steps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as possible. So in the next step, I will also show you how to log into your live account. So you can see how it is easy, just simply using your login details, which is a username, a trading account number, and the password that you have received. And that's all. So for now, that's all. See you in the next lesson. Happy trading! That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!